Math 1 EOC Practice Test number 21. The speed of sound at sea level in dry air is approximately 340 meters per second. Assume the graph correctly shows the distance d a sound wave created by a loud noise at sea level has traveled after t seconds. Which set of numbers is most appropriate to label the 7 tick marks along the vertical axis or the distance? All right, so which of these is the most appropriate? All right, so we want to know what each number would be as we go up the side here. All right, get my pen working here. All right, so here it says distance in meters, and here it says time in seconds. So they've already got this labeled as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seconds, but we want to know which numbers would be the best to put up this vertical axis here. So it says the speed of sound at sea level is approximately 340 meters per second. So per second, 340 meters. So we probably don't want to use the numbers 1 through 7. Starts with 70. I guess they got the 70 from the degrees Fahrenheit, but we're doing distance in meters here. So we're not talking about degrees. So it's not going to be that one. And then using 100, 200 up to 700 would probably be okay. But if we know that it goes 340 meters per second, 340 times 2 is 680. 680 plus 340 is this. So this would be the most appropriate set for this information. So your best answer for number 21 is D.